Hey everybody, welcome to Tech with Brett, where I help tech work for you. And today I'm going to show you how to install this GE Smart Switch light switch right into the wall so that you can actually control it with your Google Home. I'm going to do that with three different things. First, you need the light switch. You also need a SmartThings Hub as well as a Google Home device. Warning, I am no electrician, no certified electrician, so please be careful. Seek out help if you need it. Don't go further if you have no electrical experience. So I'm going to give this tutorial today an advanced rating. So the first thing that we need to do is make sure that the power is off before we open up the box and install the light switch. Let's get started.
Okay, so let's go down here and turn off the power. Open up our box. And then all we need to do is find the right switch. It should be right here. And once you verify that that is right, you can go ahead and start opening up your box.
Okay, so once the power is off, a few tools you need. You need some sort of screwdriver, Phillips, and flathead to unscrew the box. You also need some sort of wire cutters to clip the wires. So let's take this apart. Okay, now that you're in the box, all we need to do is unscrew the light switch. You will need three cables for this. You'll need the positive and negative power cable as well as the ground cable. So make sure if it's not plugged in, go into the back and pull it out. Some of the older style light switches you will just need to pry out of the back. Okay, now let's go into the Smart Switch box. Here's some instructions if you need those. Here we have the light switch. And here you have different colors if needed. There's an up arrow indicating which way this goes up. If I didn't mention it before, this does have a Z-Wave technology, so that's how it works with SmartThings. If you want to see how I set up my SmartThings Hub, please click the I in the top right-hand corner of the screen to check out that video. Okay, now that I've pulled out the ground and neutral connector, I can now connect them all. To install this, we need the neutral cable, which is the white wire, the line, which was from the other cable, make sure you record which one that was, as well as the load. We're just going to stick those into the back here, and then tighten. Stick them in as far as. For the white neutral wire, inside the box comes an extra cable. We want to attach this to the existing neutral cable and then place this into the new spot on the switch. Let me just place this into the new. And then here we have the plain ground cable that we need to install as well. Now, let's shove the wires all the way back in. Now run downstairs, hit the power switch, let's see if it works. It took it a second to turn on, but now we have the blue light going. I flip the switch and boom, the light turns on. Let's screw this all back in. I have a new wall plate that I got at Home Depot to match the new smaller and larger light switch. You can also get these on Amazon. I'll leave a few links below. Boom, light switch installed. Okay, so now we want to go into our SmartThings application to add this as a thing in SmartThings. So first we need to just go into the SmartThings app, click Add a Thing. Here it is currently looking for new devices. Let's turn it on. Okay, so once I turned on the light switch, it popped up here as a Z-Wave wall switch. I'm going to click on it to rename it, and we're going to name it Family Room Light. Hit done. That's about it. I'm going to hit save. And then I'm going to hit confirm that we want to add just that device. And now I want to make sure that I can control this. So let's test this out. So I'm just going to hit that switch right there. There we can see it turned off. And now it turns back on. And now I want to control it with the Google Home. So what I'm going to do is go into the Google Home app and then click on SmartThings, and I'm going to hit check for new devices. Here it's going to go onto the web. I'll need to log in. Okay, once I'm logged in, it will allow me to select which device I want to authorize. I'm going to say the home, and then here it shows that there is one new device. Here I have the Family Room Light. So I'm going to check that I want it to be available to the Google Home, and I'm going to click Authorize. So here in the Google Home app, it says, do I want to assign it to a room? And I'm going to assign it to the family room. And I'm going to hit done. All right, let's give it a go. Hey Google, turn off the family room light.
Okay, turning the family room light off.
Perfect. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to set up your smart switch to your SmartThings Hub with your Google Home and control it all by voice. For more tech tips, tricks, and tutorials, be sure to hit the subscribe button before. If you learned a few things today, please hit that like button to help me out, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Enjoyed learning how to set up your smart switch, your SmartThings Hub with your Google Home by voice.